Okay, casting lead. Casting some lead shot. I'm low. I don't know if you can see it well. This is my ladle. I'm going to the first one. I gotta be careful because this is molten lead. You don't want to put no water or sweat on it. Okay, so there. What you do afterwards is you just gently use your mallet and you just collect those pieces that come off. Then what you do is you just drop them in your cold water bucket. When it gets hotter, they'll drop a lot easier. Now let's do another one, just for the sake of demonstration, because I want to try to do this as a short. Okay, should be very careful and just gently tap it again. Then again, drop it in your cooling. Okay, that one fell out. You just want to be careful. Don't touch the ones that fall out of the cold water. Okay, let's do another one. Just careful, gently. It gets better as you go. I haven't cast lead in a while. Again, just gently tap it. You're breaking the sprues is what you're doing. And then you put it in your water so that they cool. And you just keep the process up. And you'll wind up with more. You just keep doing it until you get more. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.